Hi, folks. How's everybody doing? My blessings go out to you all. Um, Basically, what I got out there is just everything that I haven't got time to put away yet. So, I'll give you one final look before I put them all away. Leading the pack there on the block is a Winchester, and I actually kind of like it. I like the shape. It's just a $12 out the door little Barlow, but I love its shape. It's imitation stag. It's actually like a plastic, but it's actually a pretty cool knife. I'll do a review on that soon. Um, and there's a few other new things out here that I got to do a review on. But we'll just take a little quick spin around the block before I pull out what I want to show you today. And what I show you today is going to blow your mind, honestly. All right, well, let's take a look at it. Why not? It's going to come in this box. Big old Schatt and Morgan box. Um, there's the product code. And there's the description. It's a 1269 Schatt and Morgan John Henry wood. Now that wood is a dark curly maple, which is just awesome. Here she comes. Now this is what I call a toothpick that gone rogue. A toothpick that's gone rogue. Now you'll see there's a little kind of smeary stuff there. I just got done treating it with some mineral oil and beeswax. So it was really dry. And I tried, because I got some on the steel, I tried to wipe that off as best I can to get a little shine. This is a 5¼ inch handle length. It's a clasp knife. There's no locking mechanism. It's a slip joint. It's got a beautiful etch on it. And we'll see the blade in a minute. Let's flip over side 2. Just like a hit record. A side, B side. Now B-side's got it going on. I don't know if I should. Actually, I'm not even going to use the LED light because that's just going to change the color of this beautiful wood. The blade length is 4 1/8 inch. I forgot what they said the weight was, but we can weigh it. Now, Case makes a lot of these clasps, but this is the first Schatt and Morgan I've ever seen, and I've tried doing research on it, and the best I could come up with was a Italian cutlery that had an ad that was selling them back in 2017, and they were selling them after the conversion rate. I did the conversion from euro, and it was 199 American dollars back in 2017. That's not a crack in the wood. That's just a line. Curly maple. And while we got it there, let's weigh it. And then we'll take a look at the blade. .64 ounces. See if we can get a good look at that wood. Now most of the case knives come in stag, and they are beautiful. But you'll see some of them going for $800. I'm not kidding. So I think this is a rarity. Because if you search Clasp knife, and try and say that 3 times. If you search that on eBay, nothing but case will be coming up. I got a lot of smeary stuff up by the keystone. I'll have to clean that up. But check out that wood. Okay, let's see how it fits in the hand. Take a look at that big old blade. Slide this out. Just a slip joint. There is a little bit of, it's probably a 5 or a 6 on the pole. Let's clean that blade off a little bit. Got mineral oil everywhere. Now this also is a 1095 carbon steel. This ain't nothing to shake a stick at. So big I don't know how to put it on the screen. Here's your John Henry etch. You see my big old thumbprint there. And it looks like the etch is wearing off because you can also pinch without using the nail nick. Pinch to open. Here's your Titusville, S&M Titusville. And Queen, you'll see carbon on there, USA carbon. You see that? I don't know if that's going to help any. It's pretty strong. It's easy to pull out of the handle. But once it gets up to, I mean, there's some snap. Once it gets up to there, well, there's a detent. There's no half stop. But right here, from here to there, it's solid. No blade wobble. Locks right up. Ain't that a beauty? It's going to be my centerpiece when I set out my, I got a long table that I put in front of the fireplace in the summertime. And I set everything out there. This will be up on something high, I guarantee you that, above everything else. Now, I could have paid a lot more money and got a case with some beautiful stag and some file work and scrolled bolsters. But I think just a plain basic knife is what you want, don't you? Do you want all that flash? Maybe. I don't know. I really like this, though. It's a beaut. Let's set it out here and slide it across one more time. Big old blade. Big old hunk of 1095. Trying to get a better angle here for y'all. I think this was the best angle here. Let's do it this way. Well, you guys get the picture. Let's just for a size reference, let's put it out there like that. And here's my ZT, pivot to pivot. Okay, what do you guys think? Finish off on the blade. There is some gunk all around there. You know what I think that is? Is glue. I may have to get a little bit of really fine sandpaper. You can almost see like a circle stamp. I don't think that's a big issue. I think that'll clean up nice. Okay, my friends. As I leave you, I'll put out my Russell Barlow. All right, folks. Leave a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're passing through, go ahead and subscribe. I got a lot of more knives to show and some reviews of some new stuff. So take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.